Every year, nearly 150 million hard drives are decommissioned worldwide. Inside each one are valuable materials, rare earth magnets, PC boards, aluminum, yet most are lost, shredded, mixed, value destroyed. There is a better way. Introducing the DiskMantler suite by Garner Products. Engineered and manufactured in the United States, it's the only automated system that dismantles hard drives for clean recovery of rare earth materials. Drives enter an auto-feed conveyor and move into a powerful demagnetization chamber. The internal magnets neutralized, data eliminated. The drive transfers into the DiskMantler. Using controlled shock, harmonics, and vibration, the system dismantles each drive in seconds. Components separate cleanly, rare earth magnets, PC boards, and aluminum, ready for recovery and reuse. Shredding and chemicals eliminated. The future of hard drive recycling isn't destruction. It's secure, sustainable recovery. DiskMantler Suite. Welcome to the future of hard drive recycling.